With BxGenomics bulk RNA-Seq view, we can generate a variety of publication quality plots. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create heat maps, expression plots. The dataset used in this demo is GSE4397, which was also used in the differentially expressed genes analysis tutorial described in the script below. Use the GSE number. We can find the dataset in the database. Click on the quick view. The default plot is the PCA plot. Click on the heat map tab. The default heat map is shown. The rows are the genes and the columns are samples. We are trying to show how to use a few genes of interest to generate a heat map. Here I selected a few genes from the top differentially expressed genes in the comparison of GMC1 versus control. Go to Groups and Samples. We can remove the Masitis samples. Go back to heat map. Refresh the plot. The GemC1 and control samples are presented. Here, the genes are randomly selected. You can also put in a few significant genes in the comparisons of GemC1 versus control. The colors representing the two groups at the top of the figure have low contrast. Clicking the Plot Refresh button will update the color scheme and improve the distinction. Next, we will display the expression plot. Click on the Expression Plot tab. Enter a few genes. Box plots for the selected genes in GemC1 and control samples will be shown. You can also select the line plot option. Choose a single plot type. The new figure displays all genes in one figure. Following this video, we will develop several additional introductory videos demonstrating some techniques in using the bulk RNA view. This concludes the introduction on heat map and expression plot generation. If you have any question, please let us know.